Imagine yourself opening the door to your new home. Hey everyone, this is Jose Cervantes, co banker, realty with Team Tapper, and I wanted to personally invite you to an open house I have this Saturday and Sunday. I'll be there from 1 to 4, hosting this stunning 3-bedroom, 1-bath residence nestled in the desirable Homestead neighborhood. It's right across the street from the Borel Park. The Borel Middle School is just around the corner. It has easy access to shopping, dining. It's a very tranquil and convenient location. This is a wonderful opportunity for the investor or the first-time home buyer. I'll be there from 1 to 4 hosting this desirable home, and look forward to seeing you there. Again, this is Jose Cervantes with Cobo Banker. Remember to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more exciting news and updates from the San Mateo real estate market. Got real estate? Talk soon.